celebrity. My name is Mirali Solanki from Paradigm of Art, and today we are going to interview Mr. Rajendra Patil. He is an artist. He's been an artist since 27 years and he is also a teacher. He's working in the art department. He's working in the education department in S.S.Group of art since 26 years now. He is not only a teacher, he's been an artist before anything else. An artist to a great height. He has received 1 gold medal from Bombay University, 2 gold medals from Bombay Art Society, and best academic work in 1990s from Rajendra College. He has also been the first rank holder in the examination of government. Till now he has done 10 to 15 shows in different galleries and different shows, national and international both. His work mainly represents abstract art, and in abstract art he mostly depicts the topics which says the contradiction of cause and effect and hope and fear. And here he is, let's have a look at his work. And
yes.
Okay. Abstract painting.
Yes, abstract painting is started in 20th century, beginning of the 20th century after Picasso and Paul Cézanne's work,
Okay.
symptoms from cubism and all that. So term-wise, abstraction is a very technical point of view, the European painting, but Indian abstract theory and Indian abstract life is different. So we Indian artists took in different angle and the way of life and pattern of behavior, not exactly technically speaking of the painting for abstract. The abstraction is a type of philosophy in Indian art as well as life also. Life pattern is concerned with the abstractions. Abstraction is we call some concept of the painting which is called abstract in India.
Okay.
That in Europe, if you go to Europe, the idea is the amalgamation of line, form, color, tone, texture and space and putting things together and belonging to the particular spaces,
Okay.
which is technically concerned with the painting only. But here in India, the yes, Gaitonde is concerned, painting work concerned. It's very deeply rooted in the behavior of artists and Jain philosophy, meditations, and so many other things are. And we belong to that generation. We belong to that
Era.
not era, that particular tradition of the making abstract from the school of art, Mohan Samant, where we study Ramayana, Mahabharata, and many more epics, philosophy penetrated into the Indian, especially Bombay abstract.
Okay.
So we have the very big line of
So you were saying the Indian people have a very deep understanding.
deep
of
understanding of
Okay.
abstract and pattern of life, and which is we try to interpret in painting.
Okay, so
Not
abstract.
exactly, we are not swamping directly the abstract concern.
Alright, so each
from
abstract
Europe.
has its own
Yeah.
meaning.
But many of the people fascinated by Paul Klee, John Miro, Mark Rothko, Dick
Right.
Rooney,
Right.
Motherwell. So there is the ideals are there is from the Europe. But here we are adding something in Indian abstract, that is philosophy and life pattern, and making art as well.
Okay, so it basically depicts everything
We
in
are
terms
more
of human
linear-
perspective,
linearist.
in terms of emotions, in terms of what we've been through, in terms of holding hands with the traditions like Ramayana, Mahabharata, as you suggested. There's something much deeper in the abstract paintings that we get to see compared to only having lines and colors on the canvas. And
Not exactly Ramayana Mahabharata, also in the
Not exactly.
primitive form of art, suppose you can
Yeah.
see your folk art.
something that explains about our culture and stuff. Great. So what do you think, now that you've been a teacher
Yeah.
since 25, 26 years,
Yeah.
what do you think about the education, art education in India?
Art education in India, we have a very big tradition in the School of Art. We have the training courses, 3 training courses we can. So there is a very official method of how to teach in art schools. Fortunately, which is happen only in our state, in Maharashtra. For the rest of state, there is no special teachers training for the school educations and curriculums. So it is making some difference to the rest of citizen of the India, except other than Mumbai. There is no aesthetical, I can't say in generally, but there is a difference between Mumbai and rest of the state.
Okay.
This is true because art education is very good, deep concern with the children's personality. They are entire grown up and philosophical, mental and all religious, spiritual
Right.
status of the children.
Okay.
So that is why Sachin say we are the art sport loving country. We are not sport doing country. So we are trying to become art loving country, but not art doing country. It's
Okay.
very important. Art doing country is very important things.
Great.
Everyone has to create.
Completely.
Whatever age is there. The painting is a therapeutical method which is help your
It also helps in various
personality.
healing
And
processes.
children, only children can express their ideas, views, and even their pain through the making art.
There are so
So
many
this-
people who can't
And
verbally
generally
express.
in India we took the children to marriages, temples, even in the social gathering, but not to take the museums, heritage site, even in the gallery. That is our major fault in India. So we need to teach our, not teach, but take our children to our art. So
So this message is a direct message to all the parents sitting
Yes.
out here and watching this video.
Yes.
Please just don't take your kids to temples and weddings and other
No,
family
don't
functions.
take them.
You
to
do
temple.
take them, but also give them an
and
art.
not the old temple. The heritage site is very important. We have the very fortunately that we have the Ajanta, Ellora, Pittarapura, so many things we have, and Surya temple, Surya Mandi, Pana, Hangmadma. So fortunately we have got a lot of heritage wealth.
So take your
That's
children to
right.
the temple, but show them the heritage that we have around.
And even the art galleries, museum is very important to take the children, and even the belongings who the corporates, officials, in even the IT people, those who are traced. It's very therapeutical subject. Everyone has to create art,
Great.
and art is very important in life.
Completely agree.
Yes.
And one last question goes to you, sir. Is there any message you would like to give to the students out there and people who are aspiring to be future artists?
Student, there is the only concentration part. Which is a very helpful medium to making art, craft, which is a and sport. It's very important activities toward the life and education, because it's help you to enable in a different capacity to become a good scientist, become a good architect, become a good filmmaker, become a good human being. Ultimate painting is a simple act which counts.
So art is basically the creative process of being in a world. No matter whatever you want to do, when you do some kind of an art, basically it gives you creative solution and problem solving capabilities in life. So art is not only painting or drawing or fine arts. Basically art is something that helps you create, helps you innovate and helps you grow in whatever you want to do in life.
That's it.
That's it. From Paradigm of Life, Paradigm of Art and Rajendra Patil sir. मुझे सॉफ्टवेयर ही होते हैं ना अपने सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं ना
नहीं अभी जो बात है ना
हाँ, हाँ।
आगे मतलब नहीं दिखाना है क्या दिखाना है